Hello guys, it's your girl Ori and welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today we're gonna work on our core. It's gonna be brutal, I know, but it's only 6 minutes. You don't need anything, maybe just your motivation and determination, and of course a mat if you want. That's it. So if you are ready, you know what to do. Put a smile on your face, come close to the computer, subscribe and like this video, and let's go. So each exercises will be 30 seconds each with few seconds in between, so then you can change position. And we start with the hold position. This is a boat one, and as you will see during these 6 minutes there will be 30 seconds of hold and 30 seconds of really core squeezing, burning some sort of things. Okay, don't get me wrong, the static movement also burns. It's a different way of working your muscles. I'm sure you will enjoy it because you know we're here only for 6 minutes. So the first movement, which is not static, is a slow jackknife. So if you are used to do this movement, even fast, even slow, it's always a killer. I don't really enjoy it, I'm sure you won't, but it's really good. So really try to control your movement. It will burn, it will be uncomfortable, but that's normal, you'll get there. But don't expect necessarily to be there fully the first time, you know, but it will come, for sure it will come. Go for the static movement is the V hold. I'll leave you to it. Let's go. Flutter kicks now. So when you do this movement, make sure that your back is flat on the floor and that your head is slightly lifted up, so then you can look at your feet. When you do that, it squeezes a bit more your core and the intensity of this exercise is a bit more interesting. And the static movement will be crunch hold. When you do that, make sure that your back is flat on the floor, lift your head as if you're doing a crunch and stay there. Squeeze, play the game, squeeze. It should be a killer. I'm just pretending here. My favorite one, Russian twist. Try to have your legs 90 degrees, some sort of things, not have them touching the floor. It will be slightly more intense. Hollow hold. I'm not sure if you heard of this movement. That's the intermediate phase. Try to Google it maybe if you want. You'll see the final phase. It's a killer, but for now we start with this one, right, and then later of course we will do left. Bicycles flat on the floor. When you do that, try to not put any pressure on your neck, because that's not your neck which is responsible for that movement. Flat on the floor, your legs straight, and you squeeze each time. Of course, there is no hollow right without having a hollow left, so there we go. Now flat on your back, you want to have your legs at 90 degrees, slightly lower than this, and you want to touch your hands just below your butt, I mean underneath, or you know, as you're seeing it now. When you do that movement, make sure that you do as if you are doing a crunch. So play the game. Again, it's a core workout, so we want to squeeze your core as you do the movement. It should really start to be burning a lot by now, but that's fine. We're almost done. I think we have 1 minute left. Yes, we do have 1 minute left, so we start with 30 seconds of plank. Usual. When you do that, squeeze your glute, squeeze your core, think about nothing, and make sure that those 30 seconds are really efficient, okay? Without resting, go on your hands and now do a Spider-Man movement. So you bring your knees to your elbows. That's it, from side to side. Squeeze it, give it an extra squeeze so then you can feel the burn on that very last movement. Believe me, at the end of this 6 minutes, you don't need more of this to start seeing results. So give everything. Hey, look like someone is very tired. The core is burning now, but you did very good. So well done, well done. Only 6 minutes, that's it. You won't see tabs, you know, six packs, but your core will be flat. It will be, you know, toned and everything. You know, now you're sweating. So if you are ready and you want more of this kind of workout, you know what to do. Subscribe to this channel, give it a thumbs up, share it if you want, and I see you in another video.